So this is a really cheap spread. So a buck 50 wide costs you about 26 cents. $9 is here. So this isn't very hard for it to get there because of its nature, because of the heavy short interest in the cannabis space. And so this isn't a bad trade if you're looking for something out of the money, very cheap, very high reward. So my Tilray spread I bought for 20 cents was a 3-4 back here, and $4 is up here. So again, and that MSOS is actually pricing a bit cheaper, and but risking 20 to make 40, really looking to make, for pay 20, looking to make about 50 cents on it to close it, but 2.5, 3 times. But yeah, this is a space that can do it, and the pricing for out of the money verticals is there. CGC, certainly again, same scenario here, bullish breakout, heavy volume, right? We're peeling back. This is kind of a support area, midpoint of that large body. But can you take the same kind of upside swing? Yeah, you have rising call volatility. So this is currently 56 cents. These chunks are a bit hard. So yeah, you could just say, look, I'll go out and buy just an October call at 50 cents. Let it ride, man. I mean, this is, if you're trading CGC, that's probably the tact you take. Go out 45 days, buy a $1 call buy a 50-cent call for 20 cents, and just look for a big swing here. Okay. Arnie says, so I heard Larry Fink and his money is going to commodities Bitcoin, so the thing goes way up and craters the next day. Well, this is why I said, I'm like, there's nothing fundamentally that's really driving Bitcoin, right? I mean, does that make sense? I mean, this is a lot of this just about dollar flows. I mean, so we had a weak dollar on Tuesday. Everything shot up from a risk perspective. Now we came back in. And so that's why I try to point out is that a lot of the strength here is about the weakness in the dollar and just really taking the air out of it the last couple of days. And but Sean thinks Bitcoin 100,000. Yeah, I mean, look, I think Bitcoin is very undervalued. Okay, for those that know me back in 2020, back here in May, I at the retreat in Scottsdale, I threw out my 100K case for Bitcoin when it was trading around 10,000.